guys, good morning. So I'm in the train right now, as you can see, and I'm all sweaty because I just ended up running like crazy to catch this train because I have a presentation. And yeah, I got here with plenty of time left, but I just felt like running, and now I'm all sweaty. There I am in the train. Guys, I'm just going to have a presentation and I'm walking really fast because I would like to walk really fast, but yeah, I'm just going to have a presentation and wish me luck, guys. Fingers crossed. I hope you can see me because of the sun. It's really sunny today, oh my gosh. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Guys, I'm here waiting for my teacher. She's taking a bit. But yeah, I'll just have to wait. So guys, I'm here waiting to catch a plane to show you. It's coming one now, guys. I can hear it. So guys, I was trying to show you the planes and I was almost getting blind because I couldn't catch it. Boa tarde, o quê? Ah, obrigada. Obrigada. So yeah guys, I was trying to show you the planes and I was almost getting blind because I couldn't look directly to the sun and I didn't know where I was pointing with my camera, but I hope it looks cool, yeah. So I'm just leaving my university and it's such a bright day today, guys. And today I'm going to see Hunger Games. Yeah, I'm so happy. But I'm sad because I will have to wait one more year to see another one again. You have to see these kids' faces looking at me. Can you hear the planes coming, guys? It's like the planes are crossing my university every time because we are really close to the airport. It's a nice day today, guys. I have to show you. So sunny, it looks like summer. So guys, did you saw Hamilton yesterday? I'm so proud of him, yeah. He's the champion now. Olha, pois bom. Estou a gravar. Ai, está cheio. Estou a gravar um vídeo. Quer dizer, olá. Isto é o meu. So guys, it was super funny because I just met my friend and my hair got stuck in his beard. And no, but he's a really nice person. And once we go to a coffee or a lunch or something, you can meet him. So Mario Lopes, shout out for you because you're a really nice guy. Just here waiting for the train. Not doing much. Guys, you're not gonna hear me because of that. here waiting for the train, and I'm so hot, guys. It's so hot. Like, what's going on? Can you see how sunny it is? And I'm melting. Ugh, disgusting. So yeah, I'm here waiting for the train, and can someone get me some hair and makeup? Like, oh no, that's right, I'm a weirdo filming videos for YouTube all by myself. No hair and makeup. So guys, because I don't want this vlog to be really massive, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to split the vlogs in two parts. This will be the first part that I'm going to upload now, and then later I'm going to upload the part number 2. So don't forget to go and check out that part, yeah? So guys, thank you so much for watching. You are lovely, and don't forget thumbs up and subscribe my channel, yeah? So girls, let me tell you, if you want to see how I do my nails, these are my real nails. If you want to see a nail tutorial, tell me, comment down below and thumbs up so I know if you want to see a nail tutorial. Thank you so much and bye, see you later.